So it is raining outside, which presents a small issue cutting the wood, but not too bad. I brought the piece that I've cut out of this deck outside. I'll use for a template later. Right now, what I'm about to do is take a grinder to the seam all the way around this to give myself a good surface for the next layer of, or rather the new layer of fiberglass to stick to. And then I'll go and pick up the wood and cut the wood and get that bonded to this. I'll have to let that dry, and then I can go over with all the fiber, give that a good grind or sand, and then apply all of the new gel coat to this whole basin basically. So then I will go from there. So we're pretty much moving right along with this.